Hello. Today I'm going to go over a quick way to update your reporting periods. So I am logged in as an Edsby school admin, and I'm going to just go to the report card Zoom. And in the report card Zoom, we'll see all the classes with what type of report card is assigned to them. Here we see the current grading period. So we are in Q3. 2017-2018, which has a start date of January 2nd to March 23rd. Let's say when this reporting period was created, we didn't know the exact end date, so we just threw one in there that we guesstimated. Well, once you know your exact end date, you can go in and edit the details for the Q3 reporting period and update your end date. So say it actually is going to end on Thursday, April 5th, and then we want to make sure we change the report card due date to whatever's appropriate for your school. So I'm going to make it a week later. You can also adjust the time, so say they need to be in by 9 a.m. on that April 12th. In the advanced section, which usually is closed, you can change the submission start date. Say you wanted to give them a couple extra days to start submitting their report cards. You can go in and change the submission date to begin before the grading period ends. So say you just want to give it the day before. And then we save. This gets updated. And then teachers can start submitting their report cards on the date you specified. Hope this helps. Thanks.